kids, I'm Mimi. Last time we drew a Santa. Today we're going to draw his friend. Can you guess? Let me tell you, it's a reindeer. So now let's start drawing. First let's draw the head. And next its body. Let's draw its neck and join the head and the body. Let's draw 4 legs on our reindeer. Keep drawing, kids. Keep drawing, kids. Now let's draw a tiny tail on its back. Let's draw his antlers. Let's erase some middle lines, kids. Wow, it looks more better now. Now let's draw his ears. And let's draw a nice leash on his neck as well. Let's draw a mouth and eyes on the reindeer. Wow, our reindeer looks amazing. Look at me, I am running, kids. Now we're going to color our reindeer. First let's color its body in brown. Let's color its legs and tail in brown. Let's color our reindeer's neck and face in brown too. Next, let's color its antlers in gray. Why don't we color its toes in dark brown? Let's color. Now let's color his leash in yellow color. Wow, our reindeer looks so nice. Let's meet another day with another beautiful drawing. See you soon. Like, share and subscribe us.